Let's go on a quick drive here. We have just over 7,000 miles on the odometer. Car sounds phenomenal. Shifts nice and smooth. Checking out the alignment. Car's driving nice and straight. Now the steering wheel is slightly off center by probably 1 tiny degree. That'd be straight. Other than that, it's perfect, no alignment issues. We will have the upgraded modifications listed on the website. This has a couple goodies. Smells brand new in here. Absolutely gorgeous inside and out. Kind of like a little time capsule. If you see any of the flickering here, that's just in camera. That is not in person. Through those shifts, no complaints whatsoever. Braking feels good. Now you do have a TPMS light on here. It does have a TPMS fault, but it's going to go straight through service and get that all checked out. But other than that, absolutely perfect car. Like I said, the flickering here, that's just in camera. That is not in person. And this is an absolute perfect example here. No complaints whatsoever. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Now this car is absolutely gorgeous inside and out, super low mile. Date code on the tires, 2007. These are the original tires that came with the car, so the current owner wanted to keep it that way. Now, if you do buy this car and plan on putting a bunch of miles on it, that would be something I'd replace, maybe preserve those just for the cool factor of it. So looking at that wheel, I don't see any curb rash. Looking in the middle, I do see a little scratch there. And they're notorious for having these little kind of veiny, spidery imperfections there. A lot of them will have that throughout the wheel. That's very minimal for that one though. Looking at the fender, you do have a rock chip there. Edge of that looks good. Little rock chip here, super small. That's in great condition. No PPF on this car. A-pillar looks good. Plastic, nice and clean. That door edge, I do feel one tiny chip right here. Can't really see it though. Lower banner looks good. Beautiful door there. These plastics look amazing. Looking at the top here, a couple little scratches on that plastic. Otherwise in great condition. A lot of these are dry rotted on cars, and so that one looks amazing. Looks good, nice and clean. This is a beautiful example here. Looking at that wheel, you still have the remaining residue from the factory sticker that was on that wheel, so that's kind of cool. The rest of that wheel's in great condition. You do have some window tint on here. Nothing on the front though. Got the beautiful white vinyl racing stripes. I'm gonna scan through that hood. Upper section there looks good. Making our way down the middle. See a little rock impact there. Got one chip here, one right there. The rest of that hood looks good. Headlights are crystal clear. Looking at that front bumper, a couple small rock impacts. Very minor though. A little one there. Let's see, some here. Looks like that one got through the vinyl. It's very, very subtle though. Looking at that front splitter. Some very light rash on the bottom side there. That is clean, absolutely gorgeous. That is really, really nice. Here on that fender, looks good. I do see some light rash right there, and it did clip the tire. Bottom side looks good. From what I can tell here, all of that looks amazing. Scanning the roof, looks good. If you look super, super close, you're gonna see a couple little bitty markings right there. One right there, probably from the door barely grazing something. And you're gonna see some very light swirls from just kind of everyday washing. All very subtle stuff though. And if you really wanted that to be perfect, you can have this paint corrected, and we do offer that in-house. Already though, looking at this paint, it's in phenomenal condition. You can see those little kind of imperfections there. That's like a factory defect. And you'll see a couple more here and there, but that's a very clean wheel. Sticker still on there. A little marker, you know, paint marker there that they do from the factory, that's still there. Top side looks good. That bumper looks amazing. I'm not really seeing any flaws there that stand out. All right, checking out this interior, absolutely gorgeous. It still has that new car smell. The seats here, love the two-tone. That looks incredible. Like I said, it smells brand new in here. It's amazing. Beautiful, beautiful interior though. Looking at the upper panel, looks perfect. These are notorious for separating really bad, and that looks good. Couple wrinkles right there, and you can see it wanting to pop out just a hair on that very edge, but that is amazing because most of these I feel like are all bubbled and peeling. That looks good. Looking at the jams, all nice and clean. Carpets look good. You do have some wrinkles right here. Bolster though, very, very nice. Typical wrinkles right here as well. Couple light markings on that edge. That's pretty easy interior repair fix. If you ever wanted to go that route and you wanted that absolutely perfect, they do offer interior repairs and they can re-dye it, things like that. But looking at that wheel, nice matte finish to it. That looks incredible. I mean, nothing to really pick apart here. The leather looks good. Buttons look nice. Shifter nice and clean. Looking at the handle here, that looks good. Here in the trunk, all of this looks perfect. Still smells brand new back here. Looking at the jams, nice and clean. All of that looks amazing as well. Here on this door panel, that upper section looks amazing. That's all intact. If you had to look really close, you're going to see it kind of popping out just a hair there. But that door panel looks really, really good, and these are notorious for just completely falling off, so that is amazing to see. The trim looks good, carpet's nice and clean. This still has a beautiful matte finish to it. It's in phenomenal condition. Upper section looks good. This side of the console, nice and clean. I mean, everything still has that beautiful matte finish to it. All of that looks good. Checking out the upper side of the dash over here. Looks amazing. I mean, this looks brand new over here. And then here on the back seats, of course it is dark, but this looks brand new, like no one ever sat back here. No complaints whatsoever. And right here on the very edge of the hood stripe, you can see it did chip away. Paint looks good underneath, but the little vinyl stripe does have a little imperfection. Scanning through the engine bay, like I said, go on our website. We will have the upgrades listed there. But looking through all of this, it is just incredibly clean. Looks amazing. All the plastics are preserved. They're in great condition. That looks awesome. Here on the underhood liner, that looks good. You do have the struts to hold it up. Very, very nice. And then checking in here. Looks really, really good.